Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Teach Me Tuesdays, episode 211. And I know yesterday I said I wouldn't be doing one, but I wanted to do double reward points while I'm gone. So I thought, you know what? That would be the perfect opportunity to explain how those works in case you are new to me, new to my channel, new to Stampin' Up. This is something that I personally do. It's not being offered by Stampin' Up. It's just something I offer. So just keep that in mind. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So thank you so much for joining me today. I feel a little naked. Usually I have a necklace on, but Jeff took Eric to the grocery store to get him stuff while we're gone, and I can't put my thing on. I have a new legging arm on today to cover my ugly stitches. So yeah, it's all. I'm not dressed for, well, I can't say queen, right? I'm not dressed for the king. But anyway, so I am dressed for a fun and quick video. I also got a couple more Get Well cards over the weekend, so I want to share those as well. If you missed the ones I got so far, make sure you check my video from Friday, I believe it was, when I showed the ones I have gotten up till now. So I'll just, as those come in, if I get any more, I'll just show you as they come in. So yeah. So I'm going to flip the camera so I can get in focus. So close your eyes just for a second while I do that. Okay, look at these cute cards I got. So this one came from Jeanette. And I love this. It is so cute. I still have this stamp set because, I think it's still current. But these little kids, even if or when it retires, I'm going to keep them because they're so adorable. But I love how, look at it right here. She even put a little bow in the girl's hair. So I love that so much. And even when I was in high school, I had these, what I like to call the John Lennon glasses. I even had those. Growing up. And then this one's from Gloria. Oh, I love this. So this was, I believe, I want to say this might have been a kit or a paper pumpkin at one time because I loved these cherries and all that stuff. I could be mistaken. But anyways, but I love this so much. And like I said, I'm not going to open them up because they all have little personal, like little greetings. But this one said, Cherry Up. And I thought that was so cute and so perfect for that. So thank you so much, girls, for the cards. All right, so let me explain my country dozen rewards. So I always have country dozen reward points. And these are for a single order. When I mention my goodies and guts, and remember this month it's only going to be goodies because I can't do anything with my arm. It's like you can earn a couple different things. So I have my country dozen rewards. So this is if you order in a single order, $50 before tax and shipping, you are earning sunflowers. And then when you get a dozen sunflowers, you can pick $35 and free. So you can order several things just so that it goes up to the $35. I pay the tax and the shipping to get it to you. And but while I'm gone, so from March the 12th to March the 19th, when you order 50 before tax and shipping, instead of earning just one sunflower, you will be earning two. So you'll be getting this filled sooner. And then what you want to do is just write the order number, the date on there, and then when you fill it, you know, some people mail them to me, some people scan them, some people just type it into an email. Whatever is convenient for you. Just make sure, you know, you get the information I need so that I can reference back and check it out. And then, so you can get this on my blog, this chart right here, this card so you can keep track. It also explains, you know, how it works, how, you know, like more than one person can't, you know, go together to do the 50. It just kind of explains how they all work. And it also explains about they are only good for a year. So if you earn, like if you earned a point, in April, last year, you only have till April this year, because then that will expire. So that's why the dates are important. So that explains that as well. But again, you can get this on my blog. And I did post about the Country Dozen rewards on my blog post, so it should be right there handy for you to see. Here is the host code as well. If you are ordering less than 150 before tax and shipping, please use the code. If you're ordering more, like if you're ordering 150, I always say don't use the code, because then you'll get your own host benefits, but then you'll be getting like double those points, right? So you'll get like 50, 100. So it would fill this up if I'm right with my math. And I'm a stamper, not a mathematician. But anyway, so just keep that in mind. Also, don't forget that the new online exclusives have started. And you can see those on my blog as well. So that beautiful zinnia that I showed last week, that magnolia. If you go to my store and click on online exclusives, all of that stuff comes up. But again, it is on my blog, and my blog address is over here. So like I mentioned about, you can earn Country Dozen rewards, but I also have goodies and guts each month. Again, this month it's only goodies. And then if you order 75 before tax and shipping, you would get your reward points. But you'd also earn the Sweet Thoughts, Memories, and More card pack. And this is so cute. I love these. And this would come with your thank you card. And I send your thank you cards after the first of the month. So your March thank you card you'll get the first part of April. But if you have any questions at all, make sure you ask. Let me say see ya. Oh. There we go. See you later, alligator. But before I say see you later, alligator, I will get to see the brand new catalog when I go to Houston. And I can't wait. So that means the customer selector is going on right now. And basically that means I go in there and I pick out the people that I want Stampin' Up to mail the catalog to, so that when the catalog goes live, you'll have it. In order to get a catalog from me, you would have had to order from me at least 50 before tax and shipping, and that is easy to do, especially with us just coming off of Celebration. As long as you've ordered $50 before tax and shipping from me, or if you're one of my Paper Pumpkin subscribers, since October 2023, I will send you a catalog for free in the mail. Just make sure that your address is correct. So if you think you're going to get a catalog from me, you can email me, right, and say, I think I'm getting a catalog from you. This is the address, so that we can fix it. If it's wrong, and that's easy to do, you just go to your account and pull it up and change the address. But yeah, so just make sure that, and if you haven't, you have till the end of this month, because I will be ordering, I won't order those catalogs till March the 30th. So you still have the rest of March to place a qualifying order if you want to get a free catalog from me in the mail. If you haven't ordered that much, that's like 6 months, I figure you're not stamping anymore, or you're ordering from another demonstrator, which is totally fine, but you'll get your catalog from them. So, but I think that's all. I have my little notes over here. March 30th. If you haven't and you want to just order a catalog from me, they're $4.50 if you let me know before March the 30th, because then I'll be able to send you one. Otherwise, if you don't let me know till after that, then it's going to be like almost $8, because of the postage. So anyways, all right, so I'm going to stop blabbing, and I hope you have a great rest of the week. Like I said, Jeff and I are on our way to Houston, so if there's anything I can post about or something exciting is going on that I can share, maybe I'll come on. Otherwise, I probably won't do my regular posting till, I think I said the week of the 25th. I'm hoping get back to semi-normal. But So yeah, I mean, I do have some jewelry on today at least. I don't leave it on too long. I don't want to have to get it cut off. But anyway, so I'm going to stop blabbing. Have a great day, and I will see you as soon as I can. If you do have any questions, make sure you text me, because that will come to me right away. And if you have something that's really, really like, oh my gosh, I need to know now. If it's not like seriously need to know, you can email me and I can grab those too. But like I always say, if you need something right away, make sure you text me. That's just a little bit easier. Okay, so I am for sure this time saying see ya later. All right, so have a great week. See you later, alligator. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon. All right, bye for now.